Hello, my name is Omar Sheikh, and today I'm going to summarize the Gandhi movie in my words. So, in 1893, Gandhi is thrown off a South African train for being an Indian and traveling in the first class compartment. Gandhi realizes that the laws are based against Indians and decides to start a non-violent protest campaign for the right of all Indians in South Africa. After numerous arrests and the unwanted attention of the world, the government finally relents by recognizing rights for Indians, though not for the native black of South Africa. After the victory, Gandhi is invited back to India, where he is now considered something of a national hero. He is argued, he is argued to take up the fight for Indians' independence from the British Empire. Gandhi agrees and mounts a non-violent non-cooperation campaign of unprecedented scale, coordinating billions of Indians nationwide. There are some setbacks such as violence against the protesters and Gandhi's occasional imprisonment. Nevertheless, the campaign generates great attention and Britain faces intense public pressure. Too weak from World War II to continue enforcing its will in India, Britain finally grants Indians independence. Indians celebrate the victory, but their troubles are far from over. Religious tensions between Hindus and Muslims erupt into a nationwide violence. Gandhi declares a hunger strike, saying he will not eat until the fight stops. The fighting does stop eventually, but the country is divided. It is decided that the northwest area of India as eastern part of India. Current day Bangladesh, both places where Muslims are in the majority, will become a new country called Pakistan, West and East Pakistan respectively. It is hoped that encouraging the Muslims to live in a separate country. Violence will abate. Gandhi is opposed to the idea and is even willing to allow Muhammad Ali Jinnah to become the first Prime Minister of India. But the partition of India is carried out nevertheless. Gandhi spends his last days trying to bring about peace between both nations. He thereby angers many dissidents on both sides, one of whom finally get close enough to assassinate him. So this movie is very inspiration for us. So I would like to suggest you please go ahead and watch this movie. Thank you.